So Kevin, I've got some templates set up for my race with email v2, and I want to set up automated emails. Is there a way to use those templates in those emails?
Yeah, there's definitely a way to use templates for automated emails. So if you haven't already, I know you just said you created templates, but if you haven't already created templates in email v2, you can select the email v2 tab and go to templates and go to your saved templates. And then you can create any of your own templates here. So we do also have pre-built ones that you can use. So if you go to templates, pre-built emails, you'll see all of our pre-built templates. We're going to continue to expand this list of pre-built templates. So kind of be on the lookout for new ones that you can use. We have, marketing pre-built templates. We have pre, post race, donation, and any generic templates that you can also use as well. So when you turn on automated emails in email v2, we will automatically put in a template and wording that makes sense for that specific automated email. So if you go to email v2 automated emails, you'll see by default we have 3 automated emails: incomplete registrations, registration follow-up, and price increase. If you were to enable either of these, we will default our template in there that has sort of the default verbiage that sort of works for that type of email. So if you wanted to customize that email or maybe use a template you've already created, the first thing you'll want to do is first enable that particular automated email. In this case, we're doing the registration follow-up. Once you've enabled it, go ahead and save settings. Once you select save settings, you'll then be able to edit the actual email. So once you've saved settings, you can see the pencil icon there. So let's go ahead and click on that to edit this email. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see sort of the default email that we will always kind of fill in. Replacement tags for first name, last name, race information links, and sort of the basic defaulted verbiage. If you select choose new template at the top of the screen, and you select your saved templates, or you can use a pre-built template, whichever you would like, or you can create a new template during this process. You can then select whichever template that you want to use for this particular automated email. So when creating your template, you'll just want to be sure to include similar replacement tags as the defaulted templates that we have. So in this case, this is a registration follow-up email. So you can see the defaulted replacement tags of first name, last name, race information links are kind of included. So if you want to share some general information about your race using this automated email, you may want to include those replacement tags as well. Now in your template, when you are writing your email, you can select this placeholder tab and you can see all the replacement tags that are available to you. So if you want to send a QR code for the registration so that they can use it at packet pickup, you can add that in there. If you want to add a race registration link or race information link, you can add that in there as well. For registration follow-up emails, it's recommended that you at least have the first name, last name replacement tag, so that way the person feels like the email is directed to them specifically. And then add any additional tags that you think are worth adding for that particular email. And then you can select save once you've loaded in the template and you've customized the template even more if needed. And then you can select continue. And then from here, you'll see your new template with all the edits you may or may not have made. And then you can go ahead and say save automated email. Then we can go back to our automated email setup. And now the template we just loaded with some of the changes we made, that will send 3 days after participants has registered at 10 a.m. Now you can add additional registration follow-up emails. So you can add interval and say 7 days after registration is completed, you can have additional information that you may want to send to participants. So if we look at our incomplete registration email, so if we go ahead and enable that email real quick, this is sort of where you want to be very careful with loading in your own templates. Incomplete registration emails will always go to any person that gets through the first step of the registration but never completes it. So you'll always want to make sure you add specific replacement tags like the race registration link And if you want to have a line that says, if you need to contact us, feel free, you can use the race information link. So with the incomplete registration, you always want to make sure you probably have at least the race registration link so that that particular person can click on it and go right back to the start of the registration to complete their registration.
Yeah, what you could do is just copy all of this. So then when you come up here and you choose your new template, you can pick your template. We'll just go with this sample email template again. And then you can just paste that as your starter text for what you're doing here and edit from there.